Hello friends, I'm Explorer and today we are at an horse racing place. So I will give you a full tour of it, a full tour of it. So let's roll in tune and subscribe to my channel and like this video, comment, and let's go. As you can see this. So now enjoy some cinematic shots for 2 minutes and then we'll continue. So we have so much place to sit and watch all the shows going on, and sadly it's not today and I don't even know when it's gonna be. I guess the horse are practicing right now. So when it will be, I'll keep you updated. So subscribe on my channel, turn the notification on to be updated with me. Ooh, and like the video, like it. There's an horse stable there, as you can see. Let me just zoom in. Right now I think they're playing golf because you can see that they're like having that golf cart and they're playing. I even see them personally playing it. Isn't this so nice and like big? And let's go see. Do we do horse race here or? Oh, you see this place, this path, that's for horse, and that this golf map is for playing golf. Ooh, that's interesting, like horse race and golf battles. That's nice. So many flowers, but they are very dangerous, so keep distance, okay? You see the bees, very fresh bees. Oh my god, there's honeybees in those flowers. Okay, chill. No, this is perfect. I hope no bees here. Whew. I guess there's bees or honeybees, I don't know. Looks like I have to go now, so thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment, turn on notifications. to be updated. And let's go. Let's roll in 2. Bye.